Hi, this is Metabultai from codingmac.com. In this video, I'm going to make an introduction to subject of SharePoint in the cloud. And in this video, we will simply see some cloud concepts and some of the main service providers in the cloud. So let's start. What are our options for hosting SharePoint 2013 solutions? The simplest one in our minds is the most classical one. It's hosting our SharePoint solutions in our own servers, and which is the most costly one to do, and it's called on-premises. So the other option is hosting our solutions in the cloud, and which will be hosted in a service provider which provides some cloud services. And the third option is an hybrid one, which is hosting some part of the solution in on-premises environment and some part of it in the cloud, which we will see in the later videos. So for simplifying the cloud concepts, actually there are three concepts in the cloud. One is infrastructure as a service. Actually, simply this is renting some VMs and some cloud services from a cloud service provider. I think that there's nothing more to tell it about. You can see some detailed sources or videos about that. We are just making an introduction about that. So, which are the main service providers for that? Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and FP Web are the main service providers as we are talking about SharePoint solutions. The other option is platform as a service. So what is it? Actually, it is renting a platform in the cloud for developing and deploying your own apps to that platform. And some sample providers are SharePoint Online, which is tightly integrated with Office 365, so it's referred to as Office 365 also in some other sources. And here we see again FP Web. It's a popular, trendy cloud service provider nowadays, and it's sponsor of most of the events, for example SharePoint conference or SharePoint 24, etc. And Rackspace is another provider. Okay, let's see. And the other concept is software as a service, and it simply is hosting software somewhere and providing you some user accounts, providing you some way to manage your own account, manage your own services in that hosted software service. So the examples may be OneDrive, Google Documents, or Salesforce, which is a CRM software service. And yeah, we will focus on IaaS and PaaS for SharePoint solutions. So this is a table that I got from FP Web blog. It's a comparison of services of Azure, Amazon Web Services, and fpweb.net. So I think we can trust on this one. Let's see. Azure. Actually, Azure, as talking about the cost, it seems the meteor solution to do. And yeah, its setup seems to be fast. Performance seems to be good, and it has a tight integration with Microsoft services like Exchange, Office 365, and Active Directory, etc. And its support seems nice, and but it hasn't have a reseller model. It provides an infrastructure as a service model, as hosted in Azure, and it also provides platform as a service model as Office 365. So let's have a look at Amazon Web Services. As far as I know, it's the biggest IaaS provider in the cloud as of now, and it seems the less expensive among the other options. But actually, it's told that it has the less performance among Azure and fpweb.net. I haven't tried it personally, but it may be true that we can get as far as we pay. So, but it has no built-in support. It just provides VMs for you, and you will provide it yourself. It has a reseller model, which is good for them. So fpweb.net is a new provider, and it is the most costly one among these solutions, and its setup time is calculated in hours. So yeah, it seems a little slow, but they claim that they earn that much cost in their performance and their support. So let's trust on them. They provide infrastructure as a software and service, and PaaS also. So they claim you don't need to be an expert on SharePoint. You don't need to hire experts on SharePoint. You just need to trust on them to host your solutions on fpweb.net. So it is enough for now, and please visit codingmac.com if you haven't done already, and you will see links to the resources, and you will see our related videos, etc. in codingmac.com. So see you. Thank you very much.